Hello everybody, I'm here in the middle of the North Sea, just outside the Dutch coast, and everyone else on board is asleep, so I'm staring all by myself here. And the North Sea is completely calm, so to be able to get forward we unfortunately have to motor for a bit. Yeah, I heard stories about the North Sea and all the storms and the waves and all that. We had some wind this early morning and yeah, during the morning, but then around lunch the wind completely died out, and now it's almost no wind at all. So yeah, it's not as I've been told, I would say. It's very beautiful.
So, as we came to Dunhelder and got closer to the harbor, we saw that it was really a huge harbor. It was like a very big military harbor, so there were military ships everywhere, and they used both like really big ships and small tree boats for military use, so that was kind of funny. And we got into the harbor and we saw there was this tiny little guest harbor, and that's where we stayed. And there was a really nice guy there for sure who told us about the town. So next day we explored the town a bit and searched for a raincoat for me, since I don't have one, but we didn't found any. Yeah, and just went along the small streets and did some shopping.
So later in the evening in Dunhelder we decided to set our sails and head south further down the Dutch coast towards a little place called Scheveningen. So we arrived in Scheveningen really early in the morning, went to sleep for a while, and then we got up again and started exploring this very special place. Actually, it's like a little bathing paradise from the 80s, you could say. So it's this like huge beach with this like promenade that you got all the way, with all these small shops and restaurants all over. Really special. And in the middle of the beach there is this like huge pier with big piles they're standing on, with this Paris wheel just furthest out on this big pier. So it was really something for sure. Going on, Linn?
Heading towards Amsterdam.
Going towards us.
Next stop.
And where are we now?
Stadhuis, City Hall.
City Hall.
You are such a bad guide. You're the worst guide in the world. What's happening, Linn?
Entering the train, going to Amsterdam.
Finally going to Amsterdam. It's been my dream for my whole life. And now it's happening. What's going on, Linn? What are we doing?
We're in heaven.
In heaven?
Yep.
And where is heaven?
Right here.
At the Cheese Museum. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this one.
So this
Try it
is
for call.
definitely a pesto cheese rainbow.
Yeah, and I think the day in Amsterdam was really great. Like, the city is very special, it really has something, and I don't often enjoy cities that much, so Amsterdam really was something special with these small cozy streets and trees everywhere, so you get a very green feeling. Yeah, we went out in the night to do a bit of a party. And it was really fun for sure, but we were tired when we got into the train at 5 o'clock in the morning to go back to Scheveningen. And well, then we slept almost all day and spent one more night in Scheveningen before setting our sails into the English Channel and heading towards France. Thinking about you and all the things we used to do. That's what you Cause girl, I want you right now. I travel on downtown, I travel downtown. Wanna have you around, like every single day. I'll love you always.